Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a very simple green juice that requires only 4 ingredients. So here I have about 5 green apples, 6 celery sticks, and as you can see the celery sticks still have some of the green leaves in it, which I don't really mind because I love the color that it gives to the juice, and it also has lots of health benefits to it. Okay, I also have 2 cucumbers, and later on I'll be adding some spinach. Okay, so if you're a beginner juicer, it's always better to start juicing single fruits and vegetables, and then slowly you can start combining 2 to 3 or 4 ingredients together. Okay, so that way you don't get overwhelmed with juicing. There are so many ways of making green juice. Sometimes I use kale and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I use just 2 ingredients, sometimes I use 3, and today I'm using 4. For this particular recipe, this particular green juice recipe is my go-to green juice recipe. It has so many great health benefits. Cucumber, for example, contains lots of water, which can help you to stay hydrated. Okay, it also supports healthy skin because when you're well hydrated, it shows on your skin. It also helps with weight loss. Celery, on the other hand, helps to reduce bloating and improve bowel movement. Okay, for me, I can't eat celery on its own, so juicing it or blending it in smoothies is one way that I consume all the nutrients contained in celery. Okay, so for me, I've been juicing for about 4 years now, and honestly, I wish I started earlier. Okay, in fact, I wish I've been juicing my whole life. Okay, but slowly I've made it part of my daily lifestyle, not just for me but for the entire family. Okay, I normally make fresh homemade juice every second day. Okay, because with fresh homemade juice you don't want to store it for long. You can store it for up to 48 hours or at most 72 hours. Okay, but for us, whenever I make it, we normally finish it within 48 hours, so I find myself making it every second day. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting all the ingredients, it's time to start juicing. I'm just going to put everything in my juicer. This is the Homey Logo juicer that I got from Amazon. I've been using it for quite some time now, a little over a month, and it's been working just fine. Okay, I've used it with both hard and soft fruits and vegetables, and it has really done well with them. Okay, it is hands-free. I've just put all the ingredients inside and I let the juicer do its thing. Sometimes while the juicer is working, I can be cleaning up, I can be cutting up some more fruits and vegetables, or just doing anything else. Okay, yeah, so that's why I really love the fact that the juicer is hands-free. Okay, now the best part of this juicer is the fact that it's a cold press juicer. Okay, it slowly presses the fruits and vegetables, thereby reducing oxidation and preserving the nutrients. I'll have all the link and details in the description box. If you like it, you can check it out. Okay, you can also check out my everyday juice guide. I'll leave the link in the description box. Okay, there you will find several other juice recipes that can help to improve your health, boost your digestion, and just give you that overall feeling of well-being. Alright, so I'm done juicing and it's time to store the juice. Okay, and it's also very important to store your fresh homemade juice in airtight containers. You can use mason jars or you can buy storage containers from your local store. I got these particular ones from Shein. I also have some that I got from Amazon. Storing your cold fresh juice in airtight container will help to lock in the nutrients, and it will also help to prevent oxidation. So I tasted the juice and it tasted really nice because of the apples. The apple gave it a really nice and sweet taste. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.